Assalamu alaikum. In the latest monetary policy announced on 7th July, the State Bank of Pakistan decided to increase the policy rate by 125 basis points to 15%. With this rate hike, State Bank of Pakistan has so far tightened policy rate by 800 basis points since September 2021. In addition to this policy rate hike, State Bank has also increased rates on EFS and LTFF loans to 10%, linking it with the policy rate that is around 500 basis points below the policy rate. इस monetary policy statement में the Monetary Policy Committee highlighted some positive and adverse developments that took place since the last monetary policy held in May 2022. Positive developments included much needed fiscal adjustments such as energy subsidy reversal, along with the approval of the budget. On the other hand, inflation remains a key concern for the economy. ना सिर्फ headline inflation बल्कि core inflation भी at the moment is alarmingly high. State Bank of Pakistan ने अपनी policy में ये mention किया है कि they are closely monitoring the month-on-month inflation numbers and they will try to keep the second round effect of inflation contained. Fiscal year 23 के लिए State Bank expects inflation to remain elevated at around 18 to 20% before coming down sharply to 5 to 7% target range by the end of fiscal year 24. We expect inflation to average around 18% in fiscal year 23. जिसमें main reasons would be the international commodity prices, energy tariff hikes as well as base effect. और अगर यहाँ से international commodity prices नीचे आना start होती हैं तो we can expect inflation numbers to come down as well. With this, the real interest rates, although currently are in the higher negative territory, but going forward, we expect the real interest rate to be less negative. So based on this, लगता यही है कि State Bank of Pakistan further rate tightening ना करे. Inflation के अलावा fiscal year 23 के लिए SBP expects GDP to grow at around 3 to 4%, while current account deficit is expected to come down to 3% of GDP. On the IMF talks, State Bank had hinted towards conclusion of staff level agreement with the IMF, जो कि it has been finally concluded, and a press release by the IMF has confirmed that IMF staff and Pakistani authorities have reached a staff level agreement on the combined 7th and 8th review of EFF program, enabling the disbursement of USD 1.2 billion subject to the approval of the executive board. In addition to this, expect ये किया जा रहा है कि IMF board जो है is most likely to consider an extension of the EFF facility until June 2023. और इसके अलावा ये भी एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है कि जो टोटल अमाउंट है फैसिलिटी की वो भी बढ़ा दी जाएगी बाय अराउंड $1 billion, टेकिंग इट टू $7 billion. Thank you.